My dear audience, today I shall deliver a lecture on bias or active passive. And all of you are hereby requested to hear me with repetition because this topic is very important from the point of examination point of view. नंबर एक, एक्टिव बाइस क्या है? जिस किसी वाक्य में कर्ता कार्य करता है उसको उस वाक्य की क्रिया को एक्टिव बाइस कहते हैं। जैसे ही रीड्स ए बुक। अच्छा, पैसिव बाइस क्या है? जब किसी वाक्य में कर्ता कार्य नहीं करता अपितु उस पर कार्य किया जाता है उसको पैसिव बाइस कहते हैं। जैसे ए बुक इज रेड बाय मी। इस प्रकार हम देखते हैं कि क्रियात्मक रूप में दोनों वाक्यों में कार्य में कोई अंतर नहीं, परंतु वाक्य नंबर एक में कर्ता स्वयं कार्य करता है, इसलिए एक्टिव बाइस है, और वाक्य 2 में कर्ता की क्रिया के अनुसार कार्य किया जाता है, इसलिए यह पैसिव बाइस है। अतः पैसिव बाइस 2 प्रकार के होते हैं। नंबर 1, एक्टिव बाइस कही गई बात का विषय करता है। नंबर 2, पैसिव बाइस कही गई बात का विषय कर्म है। वेरियस काइंड ऑफ वॉइसेस। नंबर 1, वॉइसेस ऑफ टेंसिव। नोट, ऑलवेज यूज थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ऑन इन पैसिव बाइस। हमेशा विद्यार्थी याद रखें कि पैसिव बाइस में थर्ड फॉर्म आएगी, इसलिए एक्टिव बाइस सीखने से पहले विद्यार्थियों से मैं निवेदन करूँगा कि वो फॉर्म को भी याद करें, तभी एक्टिव पैसिव आएंगे। नंबर 1, प्रेजेंट टेंस। नंबर 1, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। इसकी एक्टिव पैसिव कैसे करनी है ये रूल मैं बताना चाहता हूँ। रूल, ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस इदारम प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस बाई ऑन कॉम्प्लीमेंट। एज एक्टिव, ही किल्स ए स्नेक। पैसिव, ए स्नेक इज किल्ड बाई हिम। नोट, बट एक्टिव बाइस में ऑब्जेक्ट का कार्य करता है और पैसिव बाइस में सब्जेक्ट का कार्य करता है। अतः हेल्पिंग वर्ब बट के बाद ही लगाया जाता है। इसी प्रकार बीच के पश्चात जो नाउन आता है उसके बाद भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब का प्रयोग होता है। जैसे बट डू यू सी, इसका पैसिव होगा बट इज सीन बाय यू। नंबर 2, विच पेन डू यू लाइक, विच पेन इज लाइक बाय यू। नंबर 2, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस। रूल, इसके ये कैसे इसकी बाइस चेंज करनी है ये ध्यान से सुनिएगा। ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस इजारन प्लस वीन प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस बाई प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट। एज ही इज किलिंग ए स्नेक इज बीइंग किल्ड बाई हिम। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस। रूल, ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज बीन और हैज बीन प्लस थ्री बी का मतलब थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट। एज ही हैज किल्ड ए स्नेक हैज बीन किल्ड बाई हिम। प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस, नो चेंज, इनकी एक्टिव पैसिव नहीं बनती। पास्ट टेंस, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस, इसको कैसे एक्टिव को पैसिव में कैसे चेंज करना ये ध्यान से सुनिएगा। रूल, ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस इजारम प्लस B3 का मतलब स्टैंड फॉर वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस बाई प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट। एज ही किल्ड ए स्नेक वाज किल्ड बाई हिम। नंबर 2, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस। रूल, ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस बाज वर्ब प्लस बीइंग प्लस 3B का मतलब है थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ दी वर्ब प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट। एज he was killing a snake was being killed by him. Past perfect tense. Rule, object plus had been plus 3B plus by plus complement. As he had killed a snake had been killed by him. Past perfect continuous tense, no change, इसकी एक्टिव पैसिव नहीं बनती। फ्यूचर टेंस, फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट टेंस। रूल, ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस शैल बी प्लस विल बी प्लस 3B स्टैंड फॉर वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म plus compliment, and he will kill a snake will be killed by him. I shall go to see a picture with my friend. The picture will be seen by me with my friend. Future continuous tense, no change, इसकी एक्टिव पैसे नहीं होती. Future perfect tense, rule, object plus shall have been plus will have been plus be plus by or complement. He will have killed a snake will have been killed by him. Now second part is vice of helping verb, model, rule, subject plus helping verb, can, could, may, might, would, should, ought to, or subject etc. B plus 3b stand for verb की third form, plus by plus complement, and I must teach him a lesson. A lesson must be taught by a lesson must be taught. I will teach him a lesson. He must be taught a lesson by me. Number 2, be out to serve our country. Our country ought to be served by us. नोट, जिन वाक्यों में हैव हो वहाँ पर हैव बीन का प्रयोग होता है. जैसे he may have broken the slate. He may have been broken. He may have broken the slate. The slate may have been broken by him. Number 2, you ought to have obeyed the order. The order might have been obeyed by you. The vice of interrogative tense, who is changed by whom. इंटेरोगेशन में विद्यार्थी याद रखे कि हमेशा हु को बाई हूँ पैसिवाइज करते वैसे बाई हूम में चेंज हो जाता है. हु इज नंबर 1, हु इज नॉकिंग द डोर, बाई हूम द डोर इज बीइंग नॉक्ड. नंबर 2, हु इज लाफ्ड एट, whom you laughed at. नंबर 3, why do you like the book, why is this book liked by you. नंबर 4, how much milk does your cow give. इसकी पैसिव होगी हाउ मच मिल्क इज गिवन बाय योर काउ. नंबर 5, कैन यू रीच द मून, कैन द मून बी रीच्ड बाय यू. नंबर 6, इज ही डूइंग हिज ड्यूटी, इज हिज ड्यूटी बीइंग डन बाय यू. नंबर 7, डू यू टेक एक्सरसाइज इन द मॉर्निंग, इज एक्सरसाइज टेकन बाय यू इन द मॉर्निंग. Vice of imperative sentences. This is very important. Allow the student and hereby requested to listen to me very attentively. Rule: let plus object plus be plus let plus object plus be plus oblique. Let plus object plus be oblique not be plus 3b plus by plus complement, all object plus should be, all 3b plus by पर complement. इसके तरीका यही है. इसमें लेट से और शुड भी से इसके एक्टिव से पैसे बनते हैं. अच्छा. नंबर 2, प्रार्थना शिक्षा और देश वाले वाक्यों के साथ अवक्षतानुसार यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड और यू आर एडवाइज और ऑर्डर का प्रयोग भी किया जाता है. प्लीज़ और काइंडली को हटा दिया जाता है और नॉट का प्रयोग सब्जेक्ट के पूर्व शुड के मध्य में किया जाता है. जैसे ये बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट है, परीक्षा में पूछे जाते हैं. विद्यार्थियों में निवेदन करता हूँ कि शांत इसको बड़े ध्यानपूर्वक सुनिएगा. नंबर 1, राइट ए लेटर, लेट द लेटर बी रिटन और ए लेटर शुड बी रिटन. नंबर 2, प्लीज डू इट, इट इज रिक्वेस्टेड टू बी डन. नंबर 3, डोंट टेल ए लाई, let a lie don't be told. Number 4, sit down, be seated or you are ordered to sit. Stand up. Number 5, stand up. You are ordered to stand up. Number 6, don't make a noise. You are forbidden to make a noise. Number 7, let us go out to attend the meeting. It is necessary that we should go out to attend the meeting. Now vice of prepositional sentences. ये भी बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट है. विद्यार्थी से संवेदन है कि ध्यानपूर्वक सुनिएगा. निम्नलिखित वर्ग के साथ ऐसी बाइस में बाई का प्रयोग नहीं होता। कुछ ऐसे वाक्य हैं जिनमें बाई का प्रयोग नहीं होता, वो ध्यानपूर्वक सुनिएगा। नंबर 1, सेटिस्फाइड विद, disgusted with, lined with, annoyed at, alarmed at, surprised at, known to, contribute in, married with a girl or a boy. Number 10, displeased with a person at his behavior. Number 11, pleased with person at his behavior, offered with a person at his behavior है। ये ध्यान को सुनिएगा, इसमें बाई ऐसे प्रकार बाई का प्रयोग नहीं होता, बड़े ध्यान को सुनिएगा। नंबर 1, दिस बॉक्स कंटेन मैनी बुक, मैनी बुक्स आर कंटेन इन दिस बॉक्स। नंबर 2, डू यू नो हिम, इज ही नोन टू यू, या बाई की जगह टू आएगा। द टीचर वाज सेटिस्फाइड विद द स्टूडेंट, द स्टूडेंट वाज सेटिस्फाइड विद द टीचर। नंबर 4, ही हैज डिस्प्लीज्ड हिज फादर, his father has been displeased at him, at him. This dude will alarm us, we shall be alarmed at this dude। मैं अब विद्यार्थियों से निवेदन करता हूँ कि अब मैं 22 और टिपिकल सेंटेंस पर एक्टिव पैसिव बोलूँगा, और साथ ही आपसे निवेदन करता है ध्यानपूर्वक सुनिएगा, क्योंकि परीक्षा से दृष्टि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और इसे ध्यानपूर्वक सुनिए तो आपको बड़ा लाभ होगा। नंबर 1, थी बार कॉट, इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट अपने से लाना पड़ेगा। पुलिस कॉट द थीव, नो, द ऑब्जेक्ट हैज टू बी यूज्ड बाय यू इन सच ए इंट्रांजिटिव सेंटेंस विच आर विदाउट ऑब्जेक्ट। नंबर 2, आई से, इट इज सेड बाय मी। नंबर 3, एवरी वन शुड डू वन ड्यूटी, ड्यूटी शुड बी डन बाय एवरी वन। नंबर 3, अवॉइड द यूज ऑफ बाय when the following words are used as subject। इसमें ये 4 वर्ड हैं, याद रखो, इसमें बाई नहीं लगेगा ऐसे बनाते समय। नंबर 1, पीपल। नंबर 2, बी। नंबर 3, दे। नंबर 4, समबॉडी एक्स्ट्रा। नंबर 4, पीपल स्पीक इंग्लिश ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, इंग्लिश इज स्पोकन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। नंबर 5, स्टूडेंट शुड बी रिस्पेक्टेड द टीचर, द teacher should be respected। Number 6, the road was linked with people, the road was lined with people, people lined the road। Number 7, he will be greatly surprised if he chooses, he will be greatly surprised if they get chosen by him। Number 8, my boss was lost, I lost my boss। Number 9, he was refused to admission, they refused him admission। Number 10, see that Rusty is the best policy, it is said that Rusty is the best policy। Number 11, I want to buy a book, I want to buy I want to buy a book, I want a book to be brought। Number 12, woman want men to flatter them, woman want to be flattered by men। Number 13, let me go there, this is very important, let me be gone there। Number 14, I had to bear her, she had to be beaten by me। Number 15, they expect me to stand first, it was expected me that I should stand first। Number 16, God helps those who help themselves, those who are helped by themselves are helped by God। Number 17, those who live in grassy should not stone at others, stones should not be thrown at others by those who live in grassy। I have a book, this is very important, इसका पैसिव 2 हो गए, a book is had by me or a book is with me। Number 19, he had a beautiful car, a beautiful car was owned by him, or a beautiful car was had by me। Number 20, he is to do it, it is to be done by him। Number 21, what do you mean, if passive होगा but is meant by you। Number 22, We did more work in the week than our rival did it too. More work done by us in the week than than was done by our rival in two. Number three, he could not find out who stole the vase. By whom the vase was stolen, he could not found by him. Number 24, my friend only likes to take tea. My friend likes tea to be taken. Your tea is liked by my friend. Number 25, but can't be cured, must be cured. One must endure but cannot cure. Number 26, when Mohan was going to get the book from the library, uh, was the Mohan be gone to get from library by Mohan? Number 9, we arrived at the season by arrived at. Number 5, I made him run. He was made to run. Note, in transitive verb as a rule cannot admit the passive by, but when they are used transitively, they have the passive by. Number 29, Sabsati will compel us to go. I shall be compelled to go by Sabsati. Number 3, he expects his peoples to obey. He expects to be obeyed by the people. Number 31, be patient. You are ordered to be pretty quiet. Number 30, be quiet. You are ordered to be quiet. Number 30, a pen is right. A pen is to be right with. A pen is to be written with. Number 20, may I pass? It is prayed that I may pass. Number 20, thank God. God be thanked. Number 30, I saw him and me. She saw him and me. He and I were seen by me. Flower smells sweet. Flowers are sweet when they are smelled. Number 30, kindly help him. You are requested to help him. It is Undali. It is now time to call over the name. It is now time for the name to be called over. Number 40, many persons went to see the launching at the ship. Many people went to see the ship launch. Number 40, it was called the Getty land. They called the Getty land. Number 20, they declared that I had become the owner of the road again. It was declared that I had become the owner of the road again. Number 30, Getty land provided with us with all sorts of fun. We are provided with all sorts of fun by Getty land. Number 30, they gazed at me as if I were curious animal. I was gazed at as if I were a curious animal. Number 31, they had to make an exception in every case. An exception had to be made in every case. Number 46, can't I shall it to become municipality, cannot be sold to some municipality. Number 47, engine should at once be moved from the ground. You should at once move the engine from the ground. Number 30, see the municipal chairman. Municipal chairman should be seen. Number 30, it was to be held on the ground. They are hold it on the ground. Number 50, I thought it over. It was thought over by me. Number 51, I offered him the service of the temple elephant. The service of the people of the temple elephant was offered to me by him. Number 52, he was pleased with recognition and I received from all quarter. The recognition I know received from the quarter pleased me. Number 3, what kind of India we are looking for? What kind of India is being looked for? Number 12, a hatred and violence mold our future. Is our future to be molded by hatred and violence? Number 55. The right and can never be fully achieved through wrong means. We cannot never we can never fully achieve the right and through wrong means. Number 56. I see something very similar to the flourishing in India today. So, something very similar is to that seen flourishing in India today. Number 57. What do you mean? What is meant by you? Number 58. I know. Will he have a lot of? I know. Will have a lot in him in common. It is known to me that you will have a lot in common. Number 59. Nothing could be deprived of that by anything, and anything could not be deprived of. Number 60. He said no more. Nothing more was said by him. Number 61. He deeply shocked. It was shocked him deeply. Number 62. Rama and Shyama were went to work and changed their dirty shirt. He sent Rama and Shyama to work and changed their dirty shirt. Number 63. He was somewhat surprised by the question. The question somewhat surprised him. I have always left that British never wanted to rule India. It was always felt that British never wanted to rule India. 65. Number 65. She never missed anything. Never was missed. Never nothing was ever missed by her. As you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow, so you shall be reaped. Number 67. I know the reason why he came. The reason why he came is known to me. Number 68. The headmaster saw that the boys were copying. The headmaster, the boys were copying was seen by headmaster. Number 69. 7 days make a week. A week is made of 7 days. Number 70. This is very important. Help me का होगा. I should be helped. Number 71. Nobody will listen to you. I shall be listened to by anybody. Number 72. Tell me to leave the work. Let him to told the work to leave. Number 73. You have to do it. It has to be done by you. Number 74. Who laughed at, who made you laugh? By whom were you made to laugh? Number 75. I saw a great snake which had just swallowed a frog. A great snake by which had just been swallowed a prey was seen by us. Om Shanti.